In this video, we are going to put the Sunny remote control into expert mode so that we can make various parameter changes. First thing is to turn the knob and we light up the backlight. Then progress all the way to the password screen, click the button, and you will see there is a series of digits, which is the total runtime. You need to add up the total value of the individual digits to get the password. So that is 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 8, which gives us 18. Click the button, roll the number up to 18, and enter, and you'll see it goes back to the home screen. We're now in operator mode, which allows us to change some parameters, but not all. So usually we will go into expert mode. So now roll the button again all the way to the right until you see the item operator level. Click on that, click on set, and now you can move between user, installer, and expert. Click when you're on expert and accept that. Then get back to the home page by rolling 1 to the left, 2 to the left gives you home. Click home and you're back to the home screen and you're now in expert mode.